What gets avoided if you take chances in business? We spoke about this in a previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, please follow the link in the description. Strategy will not work without what strategy? We create a strategy and make a poor execution. Still, the strategy is good, but strategy will not work without proper execution strategy. Execution without strategy may work, but strategy without execution will not work. Definitely will not work. So, execution is more powerful than the strategy. All the business analysts may not be running the good show. Same way, all fools are not may not be running the bad show because they have only execution with them. Execution with strategy is intelligence. Execution without strategy is innocence. Not every innocent fails, right? But strategy without execution will definitely fail. Strategy is theory, execution is practical. That's why fresh out of college is still incomplete in education till they get practical knowledge and experience in real market. College is strategy, market is execution. Screenplay is strategy, shooting is execution. If shooting is strategy, releasing is execution. Strategy will not work without proper execution strategy. Write in comments what type of business you are planning. Let's decode about that business in future videos. Continue to watch next on what not to trust in a business.